Man, I was just trying to record an intro. Let's see what happens. I pressure this clanker with water damage to get in an early kill. Ow. First kill. I tangled this Mequat, and now he wants blood. Luckily, he enraged me. These pursuers are doing a really good job at keeping my enraged meter full. The Mequat's finally dead. It's a one-on-one now. Wow, I actually won.